My name is Larry Smith. I'm the Vice President of Sales for GenEon Technologies. GenEon is a manufacturer of electrolyzed water systems, on-site generators of electrolyzed water. Our systems produce three different solutions: a cleaner, a glass cleaner, and a sanitizer and/or disinfectant. During the past 3 years, GenEon systems have been installed in schools across the country. These systems have been installed because people want to protect the staff, but even more importantly, protect the students from toxic chemicals. COVID-19 has been a wake-up call. The importance of disinfecting with products that will not harm the very people we are trying to protect is so very, very important. The environmental health at CDC states that children are extremely vulnerable to toxic chemicals, causing ADD, ADHD, autism, allergy, cancer, and so on. Children's developing bodies are especially vulnerable to carcinogens in cleaning products. And that's from the Environmental Working Group. The vulnerability of staff, teachers, and children who handle and breathe toxic products for hours a day. The mixture of products, even in fumes in the air, is especially dangerous. COVID is very much representative of this. Teachers and custodians have a much higher incidence of asthma compared to the general workforce. Let me give you a few testimonials from schools. Arkansas ordered 375 systems for their schools. Cobb County Schools in Georgia, 48% reduction in cost of cleaning at each school. Oldham Schools in Kentucky, they know how to beat measles and chickenpox with GenEon Technologies. Quote, "Your product is giving us a strong tool in our disinfecting box, and all here appreciate it very much." Hypochlorous acid, HOCL, is actually in the human body fighting off pathogens. What could be more natural than using that in our facilities? The regular use of cleaning chemicals, whether in the home or by housekeeping personnel, does as much harm as smoking 20 cigarettes a day. And that's from a 20-year study of over 6,000 people by the University of Bergen, Norway. Remember, a student not reporting to school could cost your school up to $40 a day. So let me give you a brief explanation of our superior systems. This is the InstaFlow. It will produce 40 gallons an hour of sanitizer, disinfectant. It will also produce a heavy-duty cleaner degreaser and a glass cleaner. This is our ImmersiClean, commonly called a wand. And you take this and you put it into a 5-gallon pail. You fill it with water and you put our electrolyte in there and you create your own sanitizer or disinfectant. This is our Trio RX. It will produce a registered EPA disinfectant, a very powerful disinfectant that will kill just about everything that you have in your facility. This is one of our mist units. This is a battery operated one, and we also have a corded one. And it'll help you to sanitize a classroom in less than 2 minutes. If you are interested in learning how you can get our powerful cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting solutions into your facility, visit our website or call me at 978-985-1116.